Navigating the globalization wave, understanding the impact on international trade and finance. Globalization has changed the way we live, work, and do business. The world has become a smaller place, with international trade and finance being the driving forces behind the trend. This phenomenon has created an interconnected global economy that has brought with it both opportunities and challenges. While international trade has opened up new markets for businesses, it has also created a more competitive environment where companies need to be innovative and adaptable to succeed. At the same time, globalization has also brought with it new challenges for finance, such as currency fluctuations and financial instability. In this video, we will explore the impact of globalization on international trade and finance. We will also look at how businesses and governments can navigate the globalization wave to maximize the benefits while minimizing the risks. The rise of globalization and its impact on trade and finance. In today's interconnected world, globalization has become an undeniable force shaping the landscape of international trade and finance. Over the past few decades, we have witnessed a significant surge in the integration of economies, the flow of goods and services across borders, and the interdependence of financial markets worldwide. This phenomenon, known as globalization, has revolutionized the way businesses operate, governments collaborate, and individuals interact on a global scale. The rise of globalization has been driven by various factors, including advancements in technology, transportation, and communication. These developments have made it easier for companies to expand their operations internationally, tapping into new markets and accessing a vast pool of consumers. As a result, trade barriers have been dismantled, and countries have embraced free trade agreements to foster economic growth and create mutually beneficial relationships. The impact of globalization on international trade has been profound. It has facilitated the exchange of goods and services across borders, leading to a significant increase in global trade volumes. This has not only provided consumers with a wider range of choices but also enabled businesses to access resources, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency through global supply chains. Moreover, globalization has sparked innovation and spurred competition, forcing companies to constantly adapt and improve their products and services to remain competitive in the global market. In addition to trade, globalization has also had a profound impact on international finance. Financial markets have become interconnected, allowing capital to flow freely across borders. This has created opportunities for investors to diversify their portfolios and seek higher returns in different markets. However, it has also exposed economies to financial vulnerabilities and contagion risks, as witnessed during the global financial crisis of 2008. The integration of financial markets has necessitated closer cooperation among central banks and regulatory authorities to ensure stability and mitigate systemic risks. While globalization has brought numerous benefits, it has also faced criticism and generated debates. Concerns about job losses, income inequality, and cultural homogenization have emerged, leading to calls for a more equitable and sustainable form of globalization. The COVID-19 pandemic further highlighted the vulnerabilities and interconnectedness of the global economy, prompting discussions about the need for resilient supply chains and greater self-sufficiency. Understanding globalization, definition, evolution, and drivers. Understanding globalization is crucial in navigating the ever-changing landscape of international trade and finance. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of countries, economies, and societies worldwide. It is a multifaceted concept that encompasses various dimensions, including economic, political, cultural, and technological aspects. The evolution of globalization can be traced back centuries, but it has accelerated dramatically in recent decades, driven by several key factors. First and foremost is the advancement in technology, particularly in transportation and communication. The rise of air travel, containerization, and the internet has significantly reduced the barriers of distance and time, making it easier for goods, services, and information to flow across borders. Economic liberalization and the dismantling of trade barriers have also played a pivotal role in promoting globalization. The establishment of organizations such as the World Trade Organization, WTO, and regional trade agreements like the European Union have facilitated the expansion of international trade and investment, fostering economic integration on a global scale. Moreover, the increasing mobility of capital and labor has contributed to the globalization process. Capital can now move swiftly across borders, seeking investment opportunities in different countries. Likewise, the movement of people, whether for work, education, or tourism, has become more accessible, leading to greater cultural exchange and diversity. Globalization has both positive and negative impacts on international trade and finance. On one hand, it offers numerous opportunities for businesses to access new markets, tap into a broader consumer base, and benefit from economies of scale. It also promotes specialization and efficiency, as countries can focus on producing goods and services in which they have a comparative advantage. However, globalization also presents challenges and risks. It can lead to job displacement and income inequality, particularly in industries that face increased competition from lower-cost producers abroad. It also poses risks to financial stability, as the interconnectedness of financial markets can amplify shocks and contagion effects. The benefits and challenges of globalization in international trade. Globalization has undoubtedly transformed the landscape of international trade and finance, bringing with it a myriad of benefits and challenges. Understanding these factors is crucial for businesses navigating the ever-evolving global marketplace. On the one hand, globalization has opened up vast opportunities for businesses to expand their reach and tap into new markets. With reduced trade barriers and advancements in technology, companies can now access a global customer base and source inputs from various regions, leading to increased efficiency and competitiveness. For businesses, this means access to a larger pool of potential customers, higher sales volumes, and the ability to leverage economies of scale. Additionally, globalization fosters innovation and knowledge sharing across borders. By engaging with diverse cultures and markets, businesses can gain valuable insights, ideas, and expertise that can drive their own growth and development. Collaboration and partnerships with international counterparts can lead to the creation of new products, services, and business models, propelling companies to stay ahead in the global race. However, along with its benefits, globalization also presents challenges that businesses must navigate. One of the key challenges is increased competition. As markets open up, businesses face intensified competition from both domestic and international players. This requires organizations to constantly innovate, improve their products and services, and differentiate themselves to remain relevant and attract customers in a crowded global marketplace. Another significant challenge is the complexity of managing global supply chains. With multiple suppliers, varying regulations, and logistical considerations, businesses must ensure seamless coordination and efficient operations across borders. This involves addressing issues such as supply chain disruptions, compliance with international standards, and managing currency fluctuations, which can impact pricing, profitability, and overall business performance. Moreover, cultural and language barriers can pose challenges in effectively connecting with international customers and understanding local preferences. Businesses need to invest in market research, adapt their marketing strategies, and develop cross-cultural competencies to successfully navigate diverse markets and build strong customer relationships. In conclusion, understanding the impact of globalization on international trade and finance is crucial in today's interconnected world. As we have discussed throughout this video, globalization has brought about both opportunities and challenges. By navigating this wave effectively, businesses and individuals can harness the benefits of international trade and finance, such as increased market access and economic growth. However, it is essential to be mindful of potential risks, such as economic inequality and vulnerability to global shocks. By staying informed, adapting to changing dynamics, and embracing innovative approaches, we can navigate the globalization wave successfully and create a more inclusive and sustainable global economy.